Let it go up.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Look right here. Say Merry Christmas, Granny.
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
What's on your tree?
Nor my pee. Get to me.
There's snowmen on your tree? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go show her the rest of the stuff. Come on. Okay. Come show her. Tell her your houses. Tell her what's down there. What's down there?
How did and the little one and the big told me and the little told me and I wanted the
And who's this? Who's that?
Taco.
Tato. And we got some more snowmen. And what do we have on our door?
A bell. 2 bells. 2.
Show Grandma. We got a cross wreath on our door.
And 2 bells.
And we have 2 bells. And more snowmen.